So earth pressure balance, TBMs, are a very common type of TBMs. They're probably slightly more widely used than slurry TBMs, mainly because they're a little bit cheaper, because they don't require a slurry separation plant, which we'll come to when we look at the slurry TBMs. And the basic principle of an earth pressure balance TBM is that we have a screw conveyor that controls the rate of extraction. So the screw conveyor effectively forms a little plug. So the soil inside the screw conveyor forms almost a plug. So the cutter head breaks up the ground, and then we inject conditioners into that spoil to make it into a paste of a particular consistency. And what we're looking for is a paste that's sufficiently liquid that you can easily screw it out through the screw conveyor. But it also needs to be solid enough that it forms a plug between the atmospheric pressure at one end of the screw conveyor, where it's dropping out onto a conveyor, and the other end of the screw conveyor, which is in the excavation chamber, which needs to be maintained at pressure to support the ground ahead of the face. So it's easier to get a paste of the right consistency when you have a lot of fine soils in your soil. So a lot of silts and a lot of clays. Where you have a lot of clean sands with no fines, or even gravels, earth pressure balance TBMs, it's very, very difficult to get the extracted spoil to the right consistency, particularly with gravels, because although you may be able to hold the gravel in the screw conveyor, the water can easily go through the gravel because it's very permeable and escape into the tunnel. So this tends to be less suitable for soils that have a high gravel content or a low fines content.